Hello friends, this is Abhijit Pawar. In this video, we are going to learn about regions and availability zones in cloud computing. So what are actually the regions? What are actually the zones? So first we have to get the information about the region. What exactly a region is? Region is nothing but a physical or geographical location around the world where cloud service provider have their cluster data centers. So, when we talk about the geographical location of the data centers across the globe, then that particular thing is nothing but we call it as a region. It ensures the CSP, that is Cloud Service Provider, has a global footprint and serving customers across the world. So, any cloud service provider will always see that it can provide the services to all the customers across the world, and the regions will help to do this. The example of cloud regions, we can see the example of AWS. These are the Asia Pacific regions, and these are for the AWS cloud. You can see the multiple regions which are available: Asia Pacific Hong Kong, Asia Pacific Mumbai, Asia Pacific Osaka, Asia Pacific Seoul, Asia Pacific Singapore, Asia Pacific Sydney, Asia Pacific Tokyo, Mainland China region. So these are multiple regions in the Asia Pacific zone of the AWS, and in every region you can see the number of availability zones which are present. So this is a graphical representation of the same. So when you visit the AWS cloud page, and if you see the geographical structure or the geographical architecture of their particular cloud, then you will get this particular map from which you can understand in the particular globe where the regions are located. Next, we are going to see what exactly a availability zone is. A availability zone is one or more distinct data center in a region. So availability zone is present inside a region. Remember this thing. It offers customers high availability, fault tolerance, and scalability in a region. So inside a region, if a customer requires high availability, fault tolerance, or a high scalable environment, that will be provided due to the availability zones which are present inside a region. All the availability zones in a region are interconnected using high performance and low latency network. So a high bandwidth network is used for correct connecting all the availability zones with each other. Availability zone in a region are physically separated from each other by meaningful distance, and the distance will be around 100 kilometer from each other. So they are within 100 kilometer of distance from each other, and that particular availability zones are inside a region. So if you see at the graphical representation, inside a region you may have multiple availability zones which are connected with each other. Next we will see what is the edge location. Edge location means what? It is where end user cloud services are located. They are located in most of the major cities of world. So if you talk about edge locations, you will see all the edge locations are present in the major cities of the world. It is just like a front end for the services we access, which are located in the cloud. So when we say we are using AWS cloud, we are using Microsoft Azure cloud, or we are using Google cloud, whatever the services we are accessing, actually we are accessing the services from the edge location. So they are actually the front end for the customer, from where actually the customer is accessing the cloud services. It is used to deliver the content to the end user with low latency. So this is an important, you can say, part of the edge location, that why edge location is used. So it is used to deliver content to the end user with a low latency. If you see the edge locations in India for AWS cloud, then you can see the edge locations are in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, New Delhi. Remember, the region is in Mumbai. Okay, remember, region of AWS is in Mumbai. Edge locations are present in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, and New Delhi. So, the people who are accessing, or the customers who are accessing the cloud services of AWS from Bangalore, they will access that particular services from the edge location which is present in Bangalore. And same graphical is represented. So if you visit a platform or the AWS console, then you can see the same graphical representation where they show the regions and the edge points or the edge locations for their particular AWS services. So in this video, we have seen what exactly a region is, what is the availability zone, and what is the edge location. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like the videos. Thank you.